Question number 4. Let's simplify this as much as possible. So we have the square root of 12. And let's break down 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6, divided by 2 is 3. So I will rewrite 12 is 2 times 2 times 3. And I'll just leave that for now. The 5 root 3, we can't really break down the 3. 3 is already a prime number. So I will just leave it like that. Minus the square root of 27. Let's break down 27. 27 divided by 3 is 9. Divided by 3 is 3. So we have 3 times 3 times 3. Great. Now we have a pair of numbers over here, and I'll just break this down as the square root of 2 times 2 times the square root of 3. And why is that? Because this is just the square root of 4, and the square root of 4 we know is 2. So we have essentially taken out the pair of 2's from inside the square root. And this is perfectly equivalent to the square root of 12. Great. So the 5 root 3 just remains the same all the way through. It's just waiting there. Now let's do the same to the square root of 27. I can break this down as 3, the square root of 3 times 3 times root 3. That of course is just 9. And the square root of 9 is just 3. So we get 3 root 3. And that's perfectly equivalent to the square root of 27. Great. Now we have like terms. 2 plus 5 is 7, minus 3 is 4. So we get 4 times the square root of 3. And that's it. So the answer is B. If this addition didn't make sense, I will just explain it in a slightly different way. Imagine that the square root of 3 is just x. So we can write this as 2 times x, so 2x plus 5x, minus 3x. And we know that this would add up to 2x plus 5x, 7x, minus 3x, 4x. So this is very similar, right? If it makes sense to you, fantastic. But if not, I suggest you to practice more. That's it.